Hi guys, this is Vikas from PowerPoint World. Welcome you all guys in my YouTube channel. So if you are new on this channel guys, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and share the videos with your friends and family guys, so that they can also learn to create different types of PowerPoint stuffs. So in this tutorial guys, I will show you how to create a 5-step timeline infographics like this in just PowerPoint. We will try to create this beautiful infographics, timeline infographics actually in PowerPoint. So without wasting any further time guys, let's get started. So first you have to click on the insert option. Here you will find the new slide option. Just click on that, on choose a blank slide like this. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy these color samples from the previous slide and paste it over here on the new slide. Okay. After doing this, what I'm going to do, I will select a shape and copy this and paste it over here on the new slide for the reference guys. So now what you have to do, you just have to create this text effect. Like let me show you guys how I have created these items and combine these items to create a shape like this. Okay. So I'm going to ungroup these items and let me show you which type of shape I have used to create a beautiful shape like this. So these are the two shapes, only two shapes you have to create, and you will find an effect like this guys. Okay. So this is very simple tutorial, and today I will show you how to create it in just PowerPoint. So I'm going to regroup these items. Press Ctrl G, regroup these items, and now I will start creating this text shape over here. So I'm going to click on insert option. Inside the insert tab you can see the text box over here. So just click on that and put a text, like I'm going to press 3 and I'm going to increase the size of this text, like I'm going to make it like this much. Okay. So I'm going to put it over here, and now I will provide the different type of text style to this shape. Right now it is Calibri body, so I'm going to remove it and apply this one. So after doing this, what I'm going to do, I will make a duplicate copy of this text and replace this text by 2. Again I'm going to do the same thing for 1, and for 2 I'm going to do the same thing, for the 4. So I'm going to type here 4, and again I'm going to press Ctrl D and change this text to 5. Like we have all this text available now. So just align it little bit, and what I'm going to do, I will choose a rectangle option from the shape option, and drag a rectangle to cover this text. Right click over here and send this rectangle to back. Now what I'm going to do, I will select this rectangle as I have already selected it, and now press Ctrl on the keyboard and select these text one by one. After doing this, what I'm going to do, I will click on format option. I have already clicked on the format option. You can see the merge shape option over here. Now you'll have to click on these merge shape options. Just click on that and choose a fragment option over here. You can see. After choosing the fragment option, you have to click on the rectangle option and press delete on the keyboard to delete this rectangle from this slide. Okay. Now you can see the outline is there on every text. If you can't see this, let me zoom in and let me show you. This outline we have to remove. So what I'm going to do, I will select all these text over here and make it no outline. What I'm going to do, I will make it no outline guys. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I will choose click on the shape outline option, and here under the shape outline option you can see the no outline option over here. Just click on that. Now we're done with the text. Now what I'm going to do, I will create this type of rectangle over here. So to do that, I'm going to click on insert option and click on the shape option. Here you will find a round same side corner rectangle. Just focus on this particular shape and just click on that and choose and drag it like this to make a desired shape. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to rotate it to 90 degree. To rotate it, what you have to do, you just have to press shift on the keyboard. Without pressing shift key, the rotation will not give you the perfect result. So if you once you will press the shift key, you can rotate the shape with the 15 degree, every 15 degree. So keep it in mind, guys. During rotation, you should use actually the shift key also. Okay. So now I'm going to start with this one shape. So I'm going to fill this one with the color. So I'm going to choose eyedropper and choose this color for one. Now you have to click on the effect option over here and choose a shadow. Under shadow option, you can see the offset right option. Just click on that to provide a shadow like this. Okay. Now for this shape, you have to also remove the outlines from here and fill it with the same color and put this shape over here like this. Make it a little bit bigger and put this shape over here. Okay, guys. Now right click on this particular shape and send it to back. I'm going to send it to back. And now you have to make the rounded corner here sharper. So you just have a blue dot over here. You just have to drag it downward to make this corner sharper. So I'm going to keep it something this much. Okay. So now we're done with this shape. Okay. Now we will do the same thing with 2. So I'm going to duplicate this shape by pressing Ctrl D and put it over here and fill it with a different color. So I'm going to fill it with a pink color. As you can see, I have already a sample color over here. So I'm going to choose a color from this sample. Now I will fill the 2 option again with the same color. Now provide the same shadow effect to 2. So I'm going to choose this option here and place this something here. But before doing this, what I'm going to do, I will drag this something here. Okay. And now select all these 2 shapes and say fragment. But before doing this, what you have to do, you have to make another copy of 2. So I'm going to press Ctrl D and keep this copy separate. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select all these 2 shapes and say fragment. Now I'm going to delete all these shapes because I don't want these shapes over here. Okay. Now the shape is ready. I'm going to do the same thing with 3. So I'm going to press Ctrl D again and put this shape over here like this. Okay. Before doing this, I'm going to make a duplicate copy of 3 and put it separately like this. Now I'm going to select all these 2 shapes and say fragment. Now I don't want these shapes, so I'm going to delete it over here and fill this shape with a different color. So I'm going to choose eyedropper and choose this green color from the color sample. And again I'm going to select the same color for the text and provide the shadow effect over here in the same manner. So I'm going to select the offset right option from here. And I'm not going to change any of these options like blur, angle, distance. I'm going to keep it by default. Okay. And put it over here like this. Put this 3 over here like this. Now again I'm going to make a duplicate copy by pressing Ctrl D, and this is for 4. I'm going to make a duplicate copy and keep a separate copy of 4 like here. Before doing this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a group of these 2 items like this and keep it separately like this. Now put this 4 over here and you can see, cover this 4 like this. And drag this over here. To take a reference, I'm going to put it over here just inside this shape. Now you can see, now it's fine. So I'm going to select all these 2 shapes over here by dragging and again I will apply a fragment option over here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to select all these shapes and delete it from here. Put this 4 over here, guys. Before doing this, what I'm going to do, I will change the color of the text as well as the rectangle shape. So I'm going to select the rectangle shape and choose the eyedropper and choose this particular color. Sorry, I'm going to make it no outline, guys. I have to select the shape, not the outline. So I'm going to fill it with this color. Again, I'm going to fill this text from this color and apply the same shadow effect to this shape. Put it over here. Now make a duplicate copy of this shape, and keep it separately like this, and make another copy, duplicate copy for this, and put it over here. Select all these two shapes and again choose a fragment option inside the merge shape option. So I'm going to select the fragment option and select all these shapes and pressing Ctrl D to delete these shapes. Now put this 5 option over here. Before doing this, what I'm going to do, I will provide a color. So I'm going to choose a orange color from here and fill this shape also with the orange color like this. I'm going to provide a shadow effect to the text, like I'm going to choose this one and right click over here and send it to back. Okay, now make it group. Select all these shapes and press Ctrl G to make the single group, guys. And now zoom out from here so that we can see the shape like this. Now what we have to do, we have to provide only the text options and the icon. We just have to provide the text as well as the icons over here. So I'm going to click on the previous slides and I'm going to copy all these text from here and paste it over here on the new slide. So I'm going to press Ctrl V and put it over here, guys, like this. Press Ctrl G to make a duplicate copy, press Ctrl D and put it over here. Again press Ctrl D and put it over here. Press Ctrl D, put it over here. Press Ctrl D and put it over here. Okay. So now finally we have also an arrangement like this. So I'm going to press Ctrl C and paste it over here like this, and for these text I'm going to bring it to something here, and for the background what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose another color. So I'm going to click on color option, choose an eyedropper and choose this color. Guys, now you are ready with your already ready with your infographics, timeline infographics. Now let me explain which type of text I'm using in this particular infographic. So as you click on this text option, you can see the lively body and the size is 9. Okay, and for the heading what I'm going to use, I'm using again the square 721. Okay. So this is the text I'm using in this particular slide, and the icons should be different in the different type of elements. So as you can see, I have used the different type of icons, and the icons is downloaded from the flaticon.com, which is a free website and provide a lot of different types of icons without any attributions, guys. So you can use these icons free of cost from that particular website, that is flaticons.com. So this is what we have created today, guys. If you like the videos, then don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share the video, guys. This is very important. And if you want to contribute us, then you can check the description box for your contributions. your little contributions will make me more motivated to do stuffs like this and create a more tutorial like this, guys. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching the video.